So a few years ago, while cleaning ductwork, we found behind a register $400 of Confederate money that was actually being stored in a box behind that register, which ended up we turned it obviously to the homeowner. She gave it to her children, ended up being $100,000 worth of money once they cashed in that Confederate money. And the woman had said to us, she says her husband for years had always messed with this one vent and she had no idea what was going on. He was using it as a safe, like a hiding spot. It was a pretty neat story.
We got a call from a customer, I guess about 3 or 4 years ago, saying they had a little odor in their home. They didn't know quite what it was, they weren't sure if it was mold or whatever. And our guys get there and they go into the trunk line and their video and they can't find anything, but they do smell something definitely very strong, not a mild smell. And they took some of the vent covers off, and when they removed one of the vent covers was a dead skunk in the vents. The people thought there was a little smell. The skunk, we have pictures of it on our website, a dead skunk with maggots in it, smelling lovely, and they didn't notice that.